and welcome to iNurture videos.
Components of Windows Azure. At the end of this video, you will be familiar with the components of Windows Azure. John and his team of developers are discussing an idea to develop a new application for smartphones. However, they are unsure about which cloud service to use. Karen, the senior developer, suggests that they should use Microsoft Azure. Microsoft Azure is a cloud service which runs on Microsoft's platform on the public cloud. Windows Azure is a developer-friendly platform and is easy to adapt for a developer. It also enables to efficiently manage different enterprises and virtualized environments which include mobile, web, Internet of Things or IoT apps. Azure is a suite of different components and services integrated on a single platform, also known as the management portal. This portal allows administrators to access and administer features of Azure. The newer version of Management Portal is called as the Azure Preview Portal. Microsoft Azure consists of several packs of components in order to support the various cloud services. The key Azure components are Compute, Web Apps, Cloud Services, Data Management, File Service, and Networking. The Compute feature provides an opportunity to configure several services on the Microsoft Azure platform. Some of the services configured include the ability to create a virtual machine or VM on demand, ability to create infrastructure as a service or IaaS, supporting virtual machine operations and virtual networks. Web apps are one of the important components of an Azure platform. Cloud services on Microsoft Azure uses web roles to deploy and maintain the web services on the cloud platform. A web app is connected to the Microsoft Azure Virtual Platform with the help of the Internet Information Server or IIS. Azure supports various web application activities such as moving the current site application. You can move the current site application to a web application that holds the site unaltered. Also, you can move the required facilitated site application from one server to another server. Microsoft Azure supports the Virtualization Services by configuring cloud services. It provides several reliable cloud services for different organizations on its platform. Microsoft Azure Platform ensures effective and easy management of data. Azure provides several storage options for storing and managing data, which includes SQL database, tables, blob storage, import and export, and file services. Azure SQL Database describes all the required key features of a relational database management system, which includes atomic transactions, concurrent data access by multiple users with data integrity, and ANSI SQL queries. It can be accessed anywhere using Entity Framework, ADO.NET, JDBC, and other similar database access interfaces and technologies. The Azure Table provides an application platform to store various types of data, such as strings, integers, and dates. Tables are generally referred to the larger feature of the database, called as Azure Storage. They can also be referred to as Azure Tables or Storage Tables. Microsoft Azure blobs are mainly developed to store different types of unstructured binary data, such as files, sound clips, and video files. They are also referred as storage blobs, and they provide a huge storage space. A single blob is expected to be as big as 1 TB or 1 terabyte. Microsoft Azure applications utilize blobs in order to provide consistent storage on its Windows file system. The Microsoft Azure Import-Export feature provides an excellent facility to ship a physical hard drive. This option provides an opportunity to transfer BitLocker, encrypted 3.5-inch SATA drives, directly to Azure data centers. Microsoft Azure provides a convenient and user-friendly platform in order to use any type of file that needs to be executed on various virtual machines. Microsoft Azure keeps an exceptionally normal measure of record stockpiling through Server Message Block or SMB convention, which utilizes a server's shared position on its stage. Applications running in Azure platform can use their files to be shared between different virtual machines using different file system APIs like read file and write file. Azure runs successfully across many data centers spread globally. Different virtual networks can be connected using virtual private network or VPN devices. Also, VPN gateways enable network administrators to configure various virtual networks among different local area networks connected to each other. Some of the components of networking supported on Azure platform include Virtual Network Express Route and Traffic Manager. The virtual network provides a private network so different services can interact with each other. They can be created when required and deleted when no longer needed. The Azure Express Route feature is mainly used when a user requires more bandwidth or security. The Express Route, an affordable feature, strikes an agreement with the service provider or the exchange provider. The Azure Traffic Manager is mainly used while running Microsoft Azure platforms on multiple data centers. It will route different requests received from different users intelligently among various instances of the application. It also routes the traffic to various services which are not executed on the Azure platform. Let us have a quick recap on what we discussed. Microsoft Azure is a suite of different components and services integrated on a single platform. The key features of Microsoft Azure components include compute, web apps, cloud services, data management, file services, and networking. Thank you for watching this video.